Before Hanayama became 30-year-old at the age of 15, before he helped his 17-year-old friend have a nice night with his girlfriend by assaulting a 97-year-old man, he was a normal kid. Yeah, there isn't anything special about that. He wasn't born as an adult in case you are wondering, but as the time passed, he automatically became ridiculously strong. No training or nothing like jumping from a cliff or fighting 100 guys. At the age of 13, he looked like a 13-year-old kid, but one day when his father was about to go to a gang war, his mother tries to stop him, but he just bitch slaps her. On seeing this, young Hanayama stops his father's hand and the father is like, Koru. Yes, Papa. Is that all the strength you got? No, Papa. Show me your strength. Oh. And then he casually explodes his father's hand. His father becomes happy to see his son's strength and goes to the gang war anyway, where he dies. Typical Baki stuff. Then 2 years later, 13-year-old Hanayama turns into a 30-year-old man. Within just 2 years, he gains 500% muscles and 100% height without doing anything. Yeah, like by just sitting on his ass all day. Those are some strong genes right there. If Hanayama is this strong with his normal father's genes, I wonder what would happen if Yujiro had sex with Hanayama's mother, and if Hanayama was Yujiro's son. Oh. Later at the age of 15, he became the gang leader of Yakuza and gets the traditional tattoo of the man standing up. But since Hanayama was a mad lad and a Giga Chad as well, he directly goes to the gang who killed his father and requests all of them to cut his back and give him that extra sauce on the tattoo. And then he returns the favor by sending all the enemies to heaven. What a nice dude. Then it is shown that Hanayama's fingers can do a lot of things like tearing a chunk out of a deck of cards, ripping a person and compressing or decompressing anything or anyone. Then one day when Hanayama was chilling, 13-year-old Baki comes to Hanayama's room, beats his ass and leaves. Which made Hanayama angry, so he did what he was best at. Later he goes to Baki to take revenge. Everybody was hoping that it will be a death match, but this fight had more moaning than the hentai video and my dog can punch better than these two.
I can't believe there's anyone this strong besides my father! My attacks aren't even registering!
In the end, this match was a tie and everybody starts clapping. But suddenly, Yujiro comes out of nowhere, beats Hanayama's ass, bitch slaps Baki, tell both of them how bad they are and just leaves. Poor Hanayama gets almost all of his bones broken, but surprisingly his body gets perfectly healed within a month. I mean, if he is Yujiro's son, then it too makes a lot of sense. Now you guys might be thinking that why doesn't he have a demon back then? Maybe it's because of his mother or his strong belief about always being on the disadvantage. Later he continues his school where he did everything except studying. He broke all the world records like they were human bones. Other than this, a lot of other incidents happened as well. Here are few of them. Everybody get out. I need to discuss something with Hanayama. Hey Hanayama, look at this crossbow. I'm gonna shoot it now. Wait bro, take these weapons as well. I just have these for now. I also have a bazooka, machine gun, nuclear missile and other powerful weapons at home if you want to go home with me and try those. But for now, take these and try them all. I won't move. But once you are done, it will be my turn. Hanayama, can you defeat these gold medalist swimmers? Yes, I can. Then Hanayama just jumps into the pool, strokes his arms in the water and throws away all the competitors, thus being the only one in the race and winning the race. Hanayama also got a proposal from a beautiful 16-year-old girl. But my man cuts the crap and straight up unzips his pants, shows his big peepee and asks her if she can handle it. Hanayama's peepee was big though. Here is a comparison between Yujiro's peepee and Hanayama's peepee. Remember that Hanayama was not hard at the time. Then the girl says yes. Then Hanayama makes her his girlfriend, jumps on her and kisses her lips, which made her lips thick. He then asks her about her access point, but the girl didn't want to increase her oppo's size, so she just breaks up, ends the relationship with Hanayama and runs away. Poor Hanayama was once again alone. He had no choice but to continue the PP training with his hands to maintain his insane grip. Later he joins Maximum Tournament only to discover that his genes would only take him so far and he was no match for the bigger dudes. During the tournament he got defeated by Katsumi and later Hanayama got destroyed by the Russian fighter. Most probably after After this, Hanayama finally starts the training, and within 8 months he became a lot more stronger. Then one day, this 19-year-old gang leader helps his 17-year-old friend have a nice night with his girlfriend by assaulting a 97-year-old man. During this fight, Speck explodes bullets in Hanayama's mouth. We can see the fire coming out of Hanayama's eyes and his cheeks, but his eyes were not damaged at all. Pretty realistic. Even after the explosion, Hanayama says these legendary words and beats the hell out of Speck.
Well then, have you had enough yet?
Later, Speck shoots Hanayama in the knees and beats him a lot, but Hanayama didn't care at all and used his favorite move on Speck. Here is a little recap of the fight.
You had enough yet? Had enough yet? So, had enough yet? Well then, have you had enough yet? Sorry, I think I broke him.
An extra helping. An arm like that really speaks to the off-the-chart strength of his grip. I don't know that you'd call it... Oh man, that must have really hurt. I mean, imagine it.
Later, he also suggests Baki to leave Kojo and says that he can get Baki a way better looking woman to do the PP training with.
I could provide you with as many women as you want. Your pick of the most beautiful ones.
How ironic. The person who gets other people's women doesn't have a woman for himself. I think he just wants to be at the biggest disadvantage of not doing the PP training, but I'm sure he does finger training to maintain the grip of those hands. After 1 year, Hanayama invites Uger and starts fighting him. He throws a punch at the Uger which rotated Yujiro's neck by like 45 degrees. But when Hanayama tried to punch him again, Yujiro just bitch slaps his face. The slap was so powerful that Hanayama went flying into a store and broke 4 display shelves before stopping. Later he meets Pickle and plays with him. Then Hanayama also fights with Musashi Miyamoto and keeps punching him throughout the whole fight. But Musashi really didn't feel anything and kept cutting him. At last, when Musashi was about to kill Hanayama, Baki threatens Musashi and stops him from killing Hanayama. Later, when he had a fight with a guy named Grandmaster, he gets shot from multiple snipers, thus falling on his knees and bleeding like crazy. Then Titan Rex comes into the picture and carries Hanayama to a hospital, asking the doctor to treat Hanayama. But as we all know, normal doctors in Baki are like real life doctors, so they couldn't do shit to save Hanayama. But of course, our favorite Dr. Kureha Shinogi, who was on vacation, instantly got this news, got on the helicopter, jumped from the helicopter, landed on the ground with a parachute and directly ran to do the surgery. And he finally saved Hanayama. But as soon as Hanayama got consciousness, he ran out of the hospital, reached the snipers who shot him and killed them. My man was literally too angry to die. Hopefully we will see all of these fights animated really soon. I also have a Discord server, guys, where we all can come up with even greater ideas, grow the Baki and overall anime community. Also through my Discord server, you guys can chat with me and suggest me new ideas. Or you can just talk about anime with other like-minded anime fans. And we can do a lot of other things on Discord server which we cannot do on YouTube. So if you are interested, you can join the Discord community by clicking the link in the description below. That's it for the video, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, then you can like the video and subscribe the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notifications bell and join the Discord server. The link is in the description below.